We'll do the stretch again.
再一次的练习这个动作。
You're very clear now.
有没有刚才那个拉扯动作各位放松了一下？
Stretch. Sit down on Vajrasana.
坐下，这样的姿势，
Lean backwards.
向后。
Feel the ankle stretch. Come back.
回来，
Stand on your knees.
跪姿，
Right leg in front.
右脚往前，
Slowly lean your body weight onto the right leg. Raise the left leg
左脚
from the back.
起，
Keep your knee straight as much as possible.
把我们的脚尽量打直，
Adap Namaskara Mudra.
把我们的手放在中指
Stretch
间，
your hands up.
向上升，
Stretch backwards.
往后拉，
Feel stretch everywhere.
感受到我们身体的各个部位的拉扯。
Come back.
回来，
Again, Adap Namaskara Mudra.
然后这个所以
Keep your both hands on the
手
thigh.
放在脚上，
Release the left
往
leg.
下左脚，
Right leg back onto the
右脚
knee.
收回，
And slowly sit up.
慢慢坐下。
Can you feel your heart rate is increased?
我们的心跳是不是会突然的增加了？
It's because we are stretching all the groups of muscles at once.
因为所有的肌肉一下子被拉扯过后呢，全身的肌肉都需要氧气，全身的肌肉都需要血液，所以说这个姿势的运动量是可以代替很多的姿势。
So like this, I can simply use one or two asanas for throughout the body stretching.
啊，我们这些姿势的要领就在于，最开始老师也都说过了，瑜伽的动作在于平时的生活当中能不能尽量的去运用。那么血印两个那种比较全能的姿势呢，生活当中就要去使用。
We've done 3 times, we'll do another remaining 7 times, little fast. Stretch backwards.
往后，
Feel the gentle abdominal stretch.
感受我们的腹部的一点点的拉伸，
Lower back stretch.
我们的后背的拉伸。
Come back.
回来，
Throughout the practice, breathe from your nose.
用我们的鼻子去呼吸，
Hand on your right. Left leg in front.
左脚向前，
Keep your both hands
放成
sides. Wear your body weight in front of
向前
the left leg.
右脚
Raise
起，
your right leg up. Feel the stretch.
感受我们右脚、左脚的一个
Adap Namaskara Mudra.
好，手印往上，
Stretch your hands up.
手往上打直，
Lean backwards.
往后倾，
Maintain.
直，
Come back.
回来，
Again, Adap Namaskara Mudra. Keep your both hands on the left thigh. Release the right
右
leg.
脚，
Bring your left leg back
收回，
and sit down.
慢慢走下来。
Can you feel?
能感到这些动作的熟悉吗？慢慢在熟悉吗？
We'll give little rest in between and then do.
啊，先休息一下，
10 seconds rest.
我们可能会做10次左右。
Remaining 6 times. Stretch it backwards.
往后，
Come back.
回来，
Kneel.
跪起来，
Stand on the knee. Keep the right
腿向前，
leg in front. Both hands on the thighs.
手放脚上。
Stretch your left leg backwards. Keep it straight as much as possible. Adap Namaskara Mudra.
手印
Raise your hands up.
往上，
Stretch it backwards.
往后，
Come back.
回来，
Adap Namaskara Mudra. Keep your hands back on the thighs.
手放脚
Release the left leg.
放下左脚，
Right leg back
收右脚，
and release.
慢慢坐下。
We've done 5 times, but I want you to relax.
好，休息一会儿。
Relax like this.
像这样子，
Relaxing Shitila Dandasana.
这样的一个休息坐姿保持很好。
Loose stick posture.
这个姿势，简单叫为什么姿势？
Blue stick.
坐仰卧
仰卧长坐啊，
You focus your attention on the ankles,
把我
back
们
of
的
your
注
knee
意放在我
and
们的
thighs.
膝盖、背部、肩部各个部位的放松。
and lower abdomen also.
所有的肌肉被一下子拉扯过后是需要一定的放松的。
Do you feel more stretch?
没有感受到这些拉扯动作比以前更强烈吗？
Definitely yes. Relax for a few seconds.
放松一会儿。
And get ready. Back to Vajrasana again.
好，又回到我们的跪姿。
Just a minute on right side, we'll go left side. Lean backwards.
向后。Feel the abdominal stretch, ankle stretch,
腹部、背部的拉扯。
neck stretch. Come back.
回来。
Stand on your knees.
好，跪姿。
Left leg in front.
脚向前，
Keep your both hands on the left knee.
上，
Lean little forward. Put your body weight. Raise the right leg.
起右脚，
Adap Namaskara Mudra.
手势，
Stretch it up
手向上，
and stretch backwards.
活人身，
Maintain.
手势，
Release. Namaskara Mudra.
放松回来，
Keep your hands on the thighs again. Release the right knee.
放下右手，
Slowly release the left
手
knee
脚，
and sit up.
放下。
You're comfortable?
这个姿势几次过后，现在觉得有没有比刚才舒服了一些？
If you feel back pain, you can stop the technique now.
如果说背痛比较严重的、肩痛比较严重的动作的过程当中，一定要小心，一定要慢，一定动作控制在自己的范围之内。
If you're comfortable, I can continue another 2 on each side.
如果说这个姿势大家比较熟悉的，可以再加另外一个姿势。
Okay?
然后就是，
Same gesture.
我们说是再做2次。
Now we don't do, both of us will not do, we want to see and we want to stretch you a little bit.
如果说实在，
Lean backwards.
往后倾，再做2次，再做2次，想要的姿势再做2次。向后，
Come back in front.
回到小中心，
Stand on your knees.
跪起来，
Your right leg in front.
右脚向前，
Put both hands
手放脚上，
on the thigh. Raise your left leg up.
抬起左脚，
Adap Namaskara Mudra.
手印支撑，
Stretch your hands up.
手向上，
Lean backwards.
向后倾。好，回来，手放下，放上上
The
的上，
sides. Release the left leg.
好，左脚
Bring back the right.
收回右脚，
Relax.
轻轻坐下。
Keep your eyes closed and focus what muscles are stretched.
闭上眼睛，感受我们身体自由的拉扯。
Tremendous strength. Some people stretch a little more. We cannot do so much. We are just gently showing. Again,
再一次
lean backwards.
向后，
Back. Stand on your knees.
回来，坐起来，
So your left leg, what leg?
脚向前，
Keep your both hands on the
手
knees.
放膝盖上，
Put your body weight onto the front side.
减轻，
Raise your leg. Put your backwards sit up. But straight Adap Namaskara Mudra.
手
Raise your
向
hands
上，
up. Stretch backwards.
好了，maintain，保持一会儿，
Release.
放松，
Adap Namaskara Mudra. Bring your hands
手
back.
印放脚上，
Slowly release the knee.
膝盖，
Relax the knee. It's a little strenuous.
这个姿势呢，可能一些要求比较的，艰难一点。
One more last time we'll do.
我们再做这个 stretch，往后，一会儿，向前，好，跪起来，
Put one leg in front.
放手右脚或者左脚，自己喜欢自
Put
由
your
意
body
志。
weight onto the front leg.
好，稍微前倾，
Raise the other leg up.
另外一只脚提起，
Pranam Namaskar Mudra.
这样的一个手臂
Raise it
向
up.
上，
Stretch
拉伸，
as much as you can.
尽量的拉，控制在自己的当中。放松回
Release.
来，
Pranam Namaskar Mudra. Bring your hands back
手
on
放
to the
脚
thighs.
上，
Slowly release the other side.
放下
The
另外一只
legs.
脚，
Bring your
收回自己的自
knee
身脚，
backwards.
坐下。
Sit down. One more last time we'll do.
好，再练一次。
Or if you're done, come stop.
如果说确实比较
Release your leg.
稍微累一点的话，
Release your leg.
休息一下。仰卧仰卧长宙，
It's too much for you?
是不是有点？
So like this, you can use simple techniques to work on multiple joints by using one or two or three combinations of asanas.
可以用1、2个动作就可以把全身肌肉拉直到它的背，就是这种动作了。
So my previous class, people who have attended, all these exercises, whatever you have done, that is equal to this simple exercise, one exercise, 8 times.
所有的动作，如果说靠这一个姿势就可以做到的话，我们可能以前学过的那些动作，全部综合起来，效果就等于这么一个姿势。
请问，就是那个在家里做的时候有什么限制没有？就是算做以后好吗？还是要什么时候好？
This gesture is better for us to do after meal, before the meal,
Before the meal,
before
stomach should be empty.
饭前，我们的肚子最好是稍微空的时候。
不是上午、下午、晚上都行。
哎，对。
Morning hours is better.
当然早上是更好一些。
Hold your leg.
好，我们拍脚，
Left leg coming back under of your
左脚放在我们的屁股下面。
Okay. This leg also hold back.
右脚也是尽量的往后拉扯，
牛面式，牛面式，
揉面，
牛面式，
揉面是，
牛面坐姿
揉。面做，
Cow face hold.
揉面做。
Take your left hand backwards like this.
左手向上，
Right hand raise it up.
右手往后，
Interlock.
能拉住的就拉住，
Keep your spine as straight as possible.
把我们的脊椎一定要打直。就是一看就保持一会儿。
See the tremendous stretch of your shoulders,
感知到我们肩部的拉扯，
hip joint,
屁股肌肉的拉扯，
and upper spine.
然后我们整个脊椎的一个拉伸，
Maintain.
继续保持。
Adjust yourself in a comfortable posture. In the same posture, you need to adjust yourself.
在这个姿势当中呢，我们尽量去调整，达到一个比较标准的坐姿，比较标准的姿势，慢慢的去适应。
Slowly release.
放松。
Release your leg up.
脚也放松，
Relax.
休息一下。
Your legs and hands are feeling empty sensation or tingling sensation.
我们手或者
屁股会有一些麻麻感，手肯定会比较明显的有一些血液被抽空的感觉，
Yes?
有没有这种感觉呢？
有。
So I'm confirming what I'm feeling. Are you feeling the same, or are we working on the same group of muscles or else?
我们做这种询问呢，是主要是想明确我们这个姿势你到底做好没有，做对没有。如果说你的手没有这种感觉，如果说你的各个部位没有我们老师同时做这些动作的时候的感觉呢，有可能是因为动作不正确。所以说，那么这些问题呢，可以帮助我们看到底大家在课堂上有没有做出错误的动作。
Slowly do it on the other side.
好，慢慢的转另外一边。
The left leg, bring it underneath of the right leg underneath of your
换一边
thigh.
的，换一边的脚，换一边的脚。
Bring the leg by the side of your body.
另外一只脚后，
Take the right hand backwards.
右手往后，
Take the left hand up like this
左手提上来，
and stretch.
压伸。
I'm not going for proper steps of this asana.
这个姿势呢，尽量做直。
I want you to just feel the stretch for those groups of muscles for immediate relief and working on the groups of muscles.
我们的这个姿势一定要尽量的去调整，做好。
Learning asana will be slow step with the breathing with each and every steps of individual asanas.
在我们刚才提到的那个一个一个步骤放松的过程当中呢，这些拉伸动作就是让我们的身体全部放松下来，那个动作才比较的能够帮助我们去感知现在我们身体疲惫下来以后。
Slowly release.
慢慢放松，
This hand. Let's relax. This whole body.
休息。
Notice your heartbeat and you relax till your heartbeat becomes normal.
我们的心跳在更多放松来一个加速，然后我们休息之后，心跳又能够很快的恢复正常。
Simply lying down. Check. Very simple. Bring your both the feet together
把我们的手拉住我们的脚踝，
and with the hands you hold your feet
拉住脚踝，
and slowly putting your body weight on the shoulders, you can raise the body up like this.
然后我们把肚子往上顶。
Then you can separate your legs.
如果说可以把脚搬开的话，可以做到。
Feel the gentle relief in your lower back and the shoulders.
感受到我们整个背部、肩部的放松，
Maintain.
保持。
Slowly release.
好，收。
Release your leg down.
脚放下，
Relax and focus on the muscles where there is a more blood circulation. You feel it in the form of warmth sensation.
感受到我们身体的哪一个部位加热感比较强烈？
然后这个膝盖比较痛的，
确实，
膝盖比较痛。
下臂的力，力，
You get the pain?
有点难。
啊，对是对吧？
You already previously have knee pain?
你以前有没有注意？
因为以前没做过这个姿势，不知道。
Not before this gesture.
Okay. Then you do it slowly. Don't do fast. You
Yeah.
can release hands. You can just do the simple one.
如果说的话，就做这样的一个姿势就可以了，
Simple one you can do. Don't raise too much.
不用就是说完全的按照老师的动作配。
Okay. Bring again one more time. Do. Bring your both feet
脚是
and catch hold with your hand. With your hands. Catch hold of your ankles with your hands. Raise the body up.
好，抬起来，
Put your body weight on the feet and the shoulders.
把我们的脚尖支撑起我们的身体。
And if you can raise it up as much as you can.
可以的话就尽量的往上看，
Maintain.
保持。强势。
Slowly release.
慢慢回来。
Both hands by the side of your body and legs stretched.
感觉到我们后背的
And relax till your heartbeat becomes normal.
心跳肯定会突然加快，休息的时候你帮助心跳会正常。
Slowly you can fold both the legs onto the knees.
把我们的脚上抬抱住，
Do gentle rocking.
然后呢可以轻轻的抖动。
Very gently.